basket this way. Can you believe we're on Rodeo Drive with Gucci right now? All the way from the garage in Santa Rosa, 707. Look at this. Illuminated. The details. This is why Gucci's A1. Detail.
Hi.
Hey.
Welcome.
Thank you. Hey, you see all the marble? Look at all this. Crazy. They pop with that white. We've been working on a marble sewing machine for 6 years, so we finally got to complete it and have it in store and functioning tomorrow. Finishing these pieces tomorrow, and showing the process of how we brought this collaboration to life. I'm pretty excited. Very excited. Gucci is my top brand, especially since they're from Italy. Just the craftsmanship and how much they love product. I mean, this is surreal. I think it's finally just starting to hit me because I've been working so hard. I get to take a moment and celebrate, and to be noticed by a brand like Gucci and is a dream come true.
Gucci challenge to his sock. Going big, hop.
I'll call you back. Figure out my outfit because I'm just trying to be obnoxious.